What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with a Toolbox Heroes video where we show you guys the latest and greatest in garage technology to make your time in the shop just a little bit more enjoyable. And nobody knows illumination like the Summit product team, and they like to have options too. So with those two ideas in mind, they brought you the 3-in-1 Summit Combo Flashlight. Not only is this thing super bright and super handy, but it has interchangeable heads. So you can use the regular flashlight head, and with the quick disconnect, it also has a gooseneck head and a bar light. So different lighting for whatever scenario you can think of. One of my other fun favorite features is it has a magnet right in the base. So whatever you're working on, you can stick it right by you and grab it when you need it. So let's check out our spec Mustang. I'm looking for a rattle today, and let's see how this thing makes our job a little bit easier. I really like this flat light or the bar light for inspection because I don't have to hold the flashlight like this and point at it, and it just gives me a nice wide bright light. And the cool thing about this too is I can put it on different settings. So, you know, obviously the lower the setting, the longer the battery is going to last. So when you're really trying to look at something, you can put it on high, but most of the time I like to run it on medium or low. But this thing works really well, and the cool thing about the bar light is not only is it adjustable like this, but it also pivots 360 degrees. So I want to look at the upper diff mount and really get a light close to it, so I'm going to switch from the bar light to the gooseneck light. Right now I'm using the conventional head of the flashlight just to look for leaks and drips. So this thing is super multi-useful and would also make a great truck flashlight. But yeah, what I'm looking for now is to see if I have any fluid inside the wheels, and looks like we have a leaky axle seal as well, so I'll have to add that to my list of things that I found that I need to address on this car. But this flashlight has made this job so much easier because I have so many different options to be able to illuminate stuff. One of the other cool things about this flashlight is it comes with this slit carrying case to hold all your accessories. It even has a USB-C type charging cord and instructions in the box as well. So if you're interested in illuminating your life and making your time in the shop a little bit better, head over to summitracing.com and pick yourself up one of these 3-in-1 flashlights. Also, make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on tool reviews like this or so much more. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and the golden question is, what are you working on?